Hi, I am Sharmi and Edusma Bigkas, third year college student under OLCA 333A037, subject OLCPCLJ4, Criminal Procedure and Court Testimony. I will answer 4 questions for today. Number 1. What is complaint? Defined as a sworn written statement charging a person with an offense subscribed by the offended party, any peace officer, or other public officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated. Number 2. Who are the persons authorized to file complaint? First, offended party. Second, any peace officer. Third, other public officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated. Number 3. What is venue? This refers to the geographical division on which an action is brought to trial for criminal action or proceeding. Venue is the territorial unit where the power of the court is to be exercised. Number 4. What is venue in general rule and what are the exceptions? Venue in general rule, a criminal action should be instituted and tried in the place where the offense was committed. What are the exceptions? First, the Supreme Court may order a change of venue or place of trial to avoid a miscarriage of justice. Second, when the law provides otherwise, violation of election law and libel, etc. Third, cases under the Rule of Court, Rule 110, Section BCD. Section B. Where an offense is committed in a train, aircraft, or other public or private vehicle in the course of its trip, the criminal action shall be and instituted and tried in the court of any municipality and territory where such train, aircraft, or other vehicle passed during its trip, including the place of its departure and arrival. Section C. Where an offense is committed on board a vessel in the course of its voyage, the criminal action shall be instituted and tried in the court of the first port of entry or of any municipality or territory where the vessel passed during such voyage, subject to the generally accepted principles of international law. Section D. Crimes committed outside of the Philippines but punishable under Article 2 of the Revised Penal Code shall be cognizable by the court where the criminal action is first filed. Fourth exception. Those enumerate under Article 2 of the Revised Penal Code. First, should commit an offense while on a Philippine ship or airship. Second, should forge or counterfeit any coin or currency of the Philippine Islands or obligation and securities issued by the government of the Philippine Island. Third, should be liable for acts connected in the introduction into this island of the obligation and securities mentioned in the preceding number. Fourth, while being public officer or employees should commit an offense in the exercise of their function. Or fifth, should should commit and should commit any crimes against national security and the law of nations defined in the defined on defined in the Title 1 of the Book 2 of this code. Fifth, exceptions. In case piracy. The crime of piracy is committed in not not against any particular state but against mankind. Hence, the same may be punishable in any competent tribunal or court of any country where the offender may be found. Thank you.